Welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how to create a temporary WordPress website easily using TasteWP platform. Here we can create a staging website regarding WordPress new installation, and we can use this platform for any testing or any practicing purposes. Also, using this TasteWP platform, we can create uh, here some information we may need to know, and it is important that this TasteWP platform provides two sites at a time, creating feature, and its validity is up to 2 days, and if you are logged in, then 7 days. Its space will be 1 GB, and you can create once two website, and if you are logged in, then you can create 6 website at a time. You can migrate this website anywhere using any plugin or any feature into the WordPress dashboard, and that means you are getting the full access of WordPress here. Sometimes we may need to testing or debugging or practice any WordPress related themes or plugins or anything, then we can create a temporary website here. Just I agree with the terms, check here and set it up. Here some advanced features, you can select WordPress version and PHP version, and here WP config some feature disable or enable, then some plugin pre-selected, you can deselect this, and the theme what you want to give. So that's it. Let's create our new WordPress installation website and let's see the magic. Let's click on set it up, and we can see that within seconds the website will be ready and we can access WordPress admin dashboard. We can just copy this and copy this. You can get here WordPress website URL, username and password. If you click access it now, then we can go WordPress admin dashboard and we will get the full access of WordPress. Here you can see that everything is fine and it's super faster. We can do anything here. I think you guys understand the main concept of this TasteWP platform. Hope it will be helpful for you. So today this is the video tutorial. Leave a comment if you get it helpful. Okay, thank you. Tata, bye bye.